Today we are going to discuss about importance of zinc in diarrhea. Not only in the diarrhea, it is very beneficial in gastroenteritis as well as in some major symptoms in the older age. So first we will look about the diarrhea. So zinc is an inexpensive and effective part of treatment of diarrhea among children in the developing world. So zinc become depleted in the body during diarrhea. So during diarrhea zinc level is decreasing, but replacing this zinc with a 10 to 14 days course of treatment can reduce the duration as well as severity of the diarrheal episode, and further it can prevent further future episode of this diarrhea as long as for the 3 months. Not only diarrhea, it is very beneficial in gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis means simple gastrointestinal tract inflammation that can be strongly attenuated by ingestion of this zinc ion. How it is possible? By direct antimicrobial action of this zinc ion in the gastrointestinal tract, or by the absorption of this zinc and further re-release from the immune cells. So this all granulocyte secretes the zinc, or both the reaction that is ultimately helping to relieve the gastroenteritis. Not only in the diarrhea and gastroenteritis, it is also useful in older age for the age related macular degeneration. So a review stated that people taking zinc supplement may be less likely to progress to age related macular degeneration. Further, this zinc supplement that is very helpful for acrodermatitis enteropathica. Further, one more condition related to the older age, that is depressive disorder. So that is seen generally with the zinc deficiency. So this zinc supplement may be effective treatment for this major depressive disorder. So you have to take care that zinc supplement that is very beneficial not only in the diarrhea, these gastroenteritis as well as age related macular degeneration. So that's all about the importance of zinc in the diarrhea.